In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a specific place location on Google Maps. So if you're doing a trip somewhere and you want to essentially share the location that you're going to with somebody else, here's how you would do it. So first you need to find the location. You can do that by searching for it or finding it on the map. So let's say we're going to Doi Changdao. We can go ahead and click on this location. Now we could then swipe right, and here if you go all the way to the right you will see share. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's as simple as clicking copy link, and you can go ahead and copy this link and send it to anybody on any social media platform, WhatsApp, Instagram. You can also go share this place and it will open your recent apps. I just copy the link though, then I head into whatever app I may be talking to that person on, so that could be WhatsApp. Then we can just paste in that link and click send. Then when they click on the link, it will open up in their Google Maps and they will have the exact same location. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if it was.